my name is Lowri Shepherd and I'm an apprentice on the digital drama team in BBC Cymru Wales. This year I've done so much more than I'd ever think that I would have done. I've been communicating with loads of different people, managers, executive producers, commissioners, you name it. I've met them and I've spoken to them. I've also created about 4 assets that have gone live on the internet and social media, and my next one is going live hopefully today or tomorrow. So I've had lots and lots on, and I've been doing marketing briefs, which are probably my favourite thing to do. My highlights of this year have definitely been just enjoying being with the team, feeling settled, and just overall feeling really valued by everyone in my team. It's been such a wonderful time. What's next for me? That is a loaded question. Of course I would hope to stay in the media industry. I hope to stay in the media industry for, the rest of my career. I would love to carry on with the BBC, just because I'm so settled there and I think it's just a perfect place to work for me personally. I have been thinking about going freelance, so who knows is the answer. If you're thinking about doing an apprenticeship, I would say just go for it. Honestly, I was going to go to drama school, believe it or not, and I am so glad that I didn't, because I've just had the most amazing time here. It really does just catapult you into the industry. It's the best thing you can possibly do. I'm so glad I didn't go to university now. I just feel like I don't need to. So try an apprenticeship. What is the worst that can happen? You'll be supported.